Now, one of the areas we said we were going to talk about is the SmartList area. So I imagine that, well, hopefully most of you people out there in current user land should be aware of the SmartList feature and some of the work that Microsoft has done in the SmartList area, where they've made some changes. They've made some major inroads here and made some nice changes to the look and feel of the SmartList area. So I've gone into SmartList now, and you can see here that the list of I have all my SmartList on the left here, and all the functionality there is pretty stock standard. So I can come in here and yes, do a list of customers and search and filter and so forth. But one of the things they've added is obviously the ability with SmartList Designer in the latest release. So in 2013 R2 version, they started introducing the SmartList Designer, which is the ability to build the SmartList yourself. In the past, prior to 2013 R2, you would have needed a third-party add-on product to do this, whereas now this is native to SmartList, so the ability to build new SmartList, and that's what you can see up the top left-hand corner here, the ability to say, I want to build a new SmartList. And then the other one I want to point out today is not only can we build new SmartLists, and in 2015 what they've done is they've also added the ability, so if I select, say, my purchase requisition SmartList here, where it's just a list of requisitions within the system, you can see that this SmartList here, I have the ability to publish. So what that does, when I click on the Publish button, it actually pushes this out in an Excel report format. So yeah, I can say, yeah, replace that existing one. There it is, it's published. So all that means is now I have a repository here of Excel reports, and in my instance, my repository happens to sit just in a network share, but this could be sitting somewhere in on an Office 365 environment or a SharePoint intranet, whichever the case. But I can come in here now, go into my purchasing folder, and you can see here, there's my purchase requisitions SmartList, which I've now published. And then when I open this Excel spreadsheet, to the end user who is opening up that spreadsheet, it appears as just an Excel spreadsheet, but in fact what that's actually doing is it's retrieving that information directly from Microsoft Dynamics GP. So this information is refreshed every time that the spreadsheet is open. And even whilst the spreadsheet's open, I can just right-click anywhere within the data set here, and you see I have the refresh option. And basically by doing that, I'm instructing that spreadsheet to go and extract that data again in case the data has changed. So rather than use the old SmartList feature, if I just go back into my SmartList here, I could use the feature here of exporting that to Excel. But of course that's a static report which is generated. So yeah, I can push this information out into Excel, but it's static. It's not going to be refreshed, it's not going to be updated. Whereas by doing the publish option, it means that the user who's opening up that Excel spreadsheet is getting a fresh view of the data every time and has the option of refreshing it as well. So that pretty much covers the first bullet point on their list here. So using SmartList Designer to publish Excel reports.